I'm positioning the hoist, double-checking connections. The tension builds. Slowly, the V12 begins to rise. I'm laying. We're carefully lowering the new panel, checking fitment at all edges. After clamping, we install the aerospace grade.
The fluid is completely black and oxidized, and as you can see, the lines are leaking right through the corrosion.
The insulation is cracked and brittle, copper visible through damaged sections. Sure enough, several areas show chew marks. The bolts are completely rusted. I'm applying heat with my torch, watching metal glow red. I'm at the front of the chassis, disconnecting radiator hoses. They're hard as plastic, cracking as I twist them free. I'm bolting the V12 engine securely to my heavy-duty engine stand. I'm tightening each bolt. I'm starting the engine disassembly with the valve covers. My hands are removing the mounting bolts around the perimeter. With my engine hoist, I'm carefully lifting the head straight up off the block. It separates from the gasket with a sucking sound. The head is heavy, I'm guiding it to my workbench.
Removing the ridge at the top of the cylinder bore. Now underneath, removing the connecting rod caps. Pushing the piston up and out, we then measure the bore wear.
I'm carefully lifting the crankshaft out of the block. It's extremely heavy. I'm setting it on padded V-blocks on my bench. No cracks appear, which is a good sign. The wear is uneven, cylinders are tapered and out of round. This block needs professional machine work.
It's a crucial step that ensures uniform color and prevents primer from absorbing the base coat unevenly.
I'm beginning application on the chassis, the spray gun laying down smooth, even coats. The red transforms the chassis instantly, the color incredibly rich and deep.
My dial indicator measures runout at less than 0. We're packing the new tapered roller bearings with synthetic grease. The inner bearing goes in first, followed by the new grease seal we tap into place.
I'm unbolting the transmission.
I am scrubbing each gear with a brush, cleaning every toothface and root. I'm also using compressed air. I'm beginning transmission reassembly with all new bearings, synchronizers, and seals. I'm installing bearings into their
wheels. I'm using my alignment tool to position the new clutch disc on the flywheel. The pressure plate bolts thread into the flywheel, and cylinder heads are ready to install. First, I'm installing new head gaskets on the block deck.
We're installing the timing belt, ensuring the keyway aligns properly. Aligning all timing marks precisely according to the factory. We install the new high-flow aluminum water pump.
torquing the bolts to specification. Then the thermostat housing with a...
The injectors click into the fuel rails. I'm connecting the electrical connectors to each injector, ensuring secure connection. The fuel pressure regulator mounts to the end of the rail.
I'm installing new intake gaskets on the cylinder head ports. The manifold is heavy, requiring careful handling.
Careful slide header into place around the steering components.
I'm installing the engine accessories.
This level of detail separates a good restoration from a great one.
Finally, the engine settles into place. I'm installing the engine mount bolts, securing the engine to the chassis.
Arches. We're installing these hoses. We fill the system with a
I'm installing the restored gauge cluster. The gauges are all rebuilt with new movements, the lenses polished crystal clear.
Rebuilt door hinges, they're complex mechanisms that allow the doors to swing up and forward.
He's attaching his pressure bleeder to the master cylinder reservoir. The pressure bleeder pumps the system to 15 psi.
The door and fenders are fluid systems, 5W40 synthetic oil, GL5 gear oil.
Comprehensive systems verification. The ECU shows proper power supply. Verifying proper...
This is the moment of truth. Changing the high zinc break-in oil for synthetic. Bringing the engine to redline in 4th gear. Peak horsepower is 452 at the wheels. Accounting for drivetrain losses, that's over 520 at the crank.
The paint is flawless, deep, glossy, with perfect reflection clarity.
It's the item. I'm starting the engine. It fires immediately, settling into a per 12 sounds incredible.